Hi guys, my name is Zaki. Your name is?
Um, Hi Jackie, I'm Ngân. Where are you from?
I'm from Egypt. I'm an English teacher.
You are English teacher.
Yes, I am. So we're gonna actually learn some vocabulary about Vietnamese. I speak English and Arabic, but I want to know some words in Vietnamese language. So this is a pen. What's this in
Yes, I will.
Vietnamese? What is this called in Vietnamese?
Cái bút. You can
Say
call cái bút.
Kai boot. Oh, great. Kai boot. Boot?
Yes.
Boot? Kai boot. Nice. So this pen has some colors actually. It has red. What is red in Vietnamese?
Red in Vietnam. Yes. Màu ghi. Màu ghi.
Maugi?
Yes.
Maugi. Okay. How about blue?
Xanh da trời. Màu xanh da trời.
What is that? Again, please.
Màu. The same color. Xanh da trời. The same blue. Màu xanh da trời.
Mao
Blue.
Sen
Da
Za
trời.
Che.
Yes.
That's pretty hard. All right, let's start with another one. How about black?
Màu đen. Màu
That's
đen.
easy. Again, Mauden.
Yes.
Mauden.
Yes.
Oh,
You're
good.
right.
That's perfect. How about... Okay. How about phone? This is a phone in English.
Điện thoại.
What is that?
Điện thoại.
Again?
Điện thoại.
Yeah, twy?
Yes.
Yeah, twy. Oh, actually, I don't know Vietnamese, guys, but I'm just learning. All right. This is a bottle, plastic bottle. So, what is this in English, in Vietnamese? Bottle?
Chai nước.
China?
Chai nước.
China? Like China, the country?
Chai
Oh,
nước.
China. China.
You can drink. You can uống. Drink.
What is that drink?
Uống.
Whoop.
Yes.
Whoop.
Yes.
Whoop. So
Drink.
drinking is
Yes.
whoop. Yeah, that's pretty good. Very nice.
If you want to drink water, so you feel khát, thirsty, khát nước.